On October 26th, an exceptional team from BCIT's Make Applied Research Group will compete in the 2024 Cybathlon in Zurich, Switzerland. The challenge? Build a wheelchair that can take you where you want, regardless of terrain.
My name is Rory Dougall. I'm a mechanical designer and also the human factor designer on the team. The goals were to build a cool device and then also go compete in Switzerland and do as many of the tasks as possible, if not all of them. I'm most excited about going to Switzerland with the team and competing, and then also meeting all the other teams who are in the same competition. It has been lots of energy and lots of fun, but also very busy. So it's been an exciting time.